and welcome to X Empire tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about upgrades. All right. So this is X Empire upgrade update. So if you're playing the game, of course, you don't want to just remain on the same level. Nobody wants to remain on the same level. So you want to upgrade at some point or the other, because some have been tapping and tapping and tapping and just accumulating coins and nothing else. So you want to know, how do you upgrade? So if this is your first time stopping by, I want to say a big thank you to you. I sincerely appreciate. And for all returning subscribers, gracias, merci beaucoup. All right, remember to subscribe, like, and share the video, and also hit the notification bell so that as soon as I drop the next important video for you, you'll be the very first to get notified. So in this video, we're going to be talking about upgrades. How do you upgrade? There are things to upgrade. At least three things I'm going to point out here now that can upgrade. Number one, you can upgrade the energy limit. All right, like here, and I think my energy limit is about 6,000 or so. It's not empty right now. Then you also can upgrade your profit per tap, and then you can also upgrade your level. Now, the level you're at will determine the amount of investment you can make when you get to the investment funds. Okay, it also the profit per tap also determines, when you tap, it's plus 24 right now. So we're going to do upgrade right now so that you understand what I mean. And a whole lot of other things can happen. So there are some games that you cannot easily play if you're not at certain upgrade level. So just in case you have tried some and you are told you need to be at level 7 or a certain level, we're going to fix it right here, right now in this video tutorial. Remember to like and share this video, and let your friends know, because we need to know this. So how to upgrade on X Empire. So let's start with upgrading profit per tap. So let's tap here. So look at the information here. Profit per tap 24%, bonus chance 8%, bonus size 140%. You can improve your stats by improvement cards in the section mining. So let's tap on improve. Okay, just tap on improve. Here we are. So we are going to look at the mining section. Now you can see that. So, okay, good. So let's buy energy first. Okay. Next one, let's do profit per tap to 11. From 11 to 12. Also, it has done plus 2 now. So I can do again. Okay. Now let's go back. Come back here now. Let's see. Profit per tap. You can see my profit per tap pattern is now at 37 plus 37 from plus 24. I tapped twice, right? Okay, so now let's do another upgrade. Now my energy level has increased to 9,000 now. You see that? 9,000 right now, okay? Because that was the first one I tapped on energy. It increased. Now, if I want to increase it to further, because I really love the energy here because it's easy to exhaust. Now look at energy. I add another 1,000. I'll pay 1.9. It will be deducted from my coins. Use your coins to improve. Now this one I can do plus 5 now, so that it will go level 7. Now energy recovery. Let me also upgrade that to level 7. This is level 7. So okay. This is now get to level 8 now. 5. Then bonus chance. I'm also going to upgrade that. Take that 4 to 5. Do bonus size. Also now bonus size, I'm going to pay 2, 3, and it's plus 3 now. It's going to give me. So we'll go to check all of this. Now let's do again. Let's do again, and then let's take this one to 7, and let's take this to 7. Okay, let's take this to 8, and let's take this to 8, and let's take this to 8, and let's take this to 7 and 8 too. So so everything will be 8, 8, 8. Okay. Noted. Okay, so let's go to everything is on 888 now. Energy, profit per tap, and so on. So let's come back here. And so what profit per tap now is plus 42, and energy is 11,005 now. Okay, now let's come to level now. Is it full? It's not complete yet. You can see the percentage. Where is it now? It's at 5%. So at 5% here now, we can't do anything. You have to keep on increasing. Now look at the message here. Startup innovator. Okay, so your experience increases when you invest in improvements. As you level up, your profit per tap increases. New improvements and leagues in PvP are unlocked. So days in game 38, Experience to next level 98.4 million. That is the experience I expected. Okay, then total experience, is it total experience or expectation? 55.14. So I still need like 40 something, a bit 30 something to get there. The invited friends 5, improves 32, and PvP wins 2 over 2. That's negotiation. I think I've won only 2 out of 13. Yeah. And what happened there is that at the level I was looking for higher levels. Now the ones I won are the ones at my level. All right, so I'm going back to improve on that by playing at my league. All right, okay, so let's go on. So here now we can't improve on this because we are still on 5%. So you have to wait for this to fill up. How do you fill it up? You keep on tapping and also carrying out tasks until it gets to that level. So that's how you do that. Now let's go back to mining. So here now you can tap now and exhaust this. So all of these also add up to the level, the meter level of the level you are at. So we are at level 11, but then it's a 5% filled up. It's 5% filled up. So you have to get 100% before I move on to level 12. Okay, so that's how this place is done. So you need to take note of that. Okay, now next you can of course you can also come here and carry out the task here to also improve that. Now tap 22415 tapping time. How many times? 24,150. I can claim 30,000 right now. Okay, and that's claimed. I've improved 5 different skills. If you check here now, I'm also going to increase 5,000 there. 30,000 there will be added. Let's go back there. Okay, I claim that 5 different skills. So you can actually go here also. The other tasks you cannot actually complete from here, like subscribe to YouTube channel. I did this already and I'm coming back to claim it, not now because it's not showing me where to claim. So if you come back to improve, all right, then you have improvements you can make, like you are paid 28 million now, 28,500 for empathy to improve on it, and then 25k for ethics. And now you can see at level 4. Now I need to wait for this to roll down. So by the time this one is at level 8 already, this one is at level 4. By the time it completes and it allows me, I can also upgrade to level 5, level 9, and so we continue like that. So if you scroll down, you can notice that here they are inactive. Why? Because I've not unlocked ethics at level 5. Ethics has to be unlocked at level 5 before this one is active. So now that it's active now 4, so I can unlock level 5. Okay, so I'll be able to now come to this one. You can see that I'm here now. So I can now unlock relationship. Now, if you look at the next card there, which is friends, says relationship has to get to level 2, and I can quickly drive relationship to level 2. Okay, now friends is open now. Now, if you look at networking friends has to get to level 5. So if I drive this now, I take it to level 1, take it to level 2, okay, take it to level 3, take it to level 4, and take it to level 5. One more to level 5 now, and the networking will open. Okay, I have to wait for like 1 minute plus before I can unlock that. So okay, so now before I get there, let me now upgrade relationship a bit further, and then even ethics, take ethics further up. Now guess what, the coins I'm using there, and now also improving the profit per hour is important at this point. Also take note of that. So all of these are things you'll be doing to help yourself, because your profit per hour will also be increasing. Now, if you look at the discipline now, level 19, and it's telling me that my level must be 17, but currently I'm level 11 if I must upgrade this further. You can see this one now, I can still upgrade this one further, but then I'll need to wait for 5 minutes. Okay, now that's for critical thinking. And now if you come back here, we're still waiting for friends to get to level. Okay, I need to just tap one more and take friends to level 5 before I open networking. So less than 25 seconds, I'm allowed to do that. So now come back to planning. Planning is still at level 1 under management skills, level 2, level 3. Then let's do a process organization to take it to level 1, take it to level 2, planning to level 4. Okay, and this process to level 3. And then below it, you have leadership. Leadership is still at level 2. Motivation is at level 1. And control is at 0 level. Take it to level 1. Okay. Then take communication to level 3. And then go back to friends. Take it to level 5 so you can unlock networking. So networking is unlocked now to play. Take it to level 1. Okay. So and for you to unlock mentors, the network has to get to level 5. So let's take it to level 2. And now you see all those coins that we've piled up there, 140 something million. We are using them here now to improve our profit per hour and also improve our skills and other skills. That's what you're using that for. So one more and then we unlock mentors, and we need to wait for a few seconds here. So while that is happening, let's scroll down to the others. Let's take this planning to level 5. Okay, so remember that this unit is all about upgrading. So we are upgrading the ones that we can upgrade right now. The ones you have to wait for, you wait for them. The ones you have to upgrade right now, you upgrade them. So that's what we're doing. So let's go back to networking. Okay, it's still remaining a few seconds and 20 seconds. Okay, so while we wait for that, I take relationships to level 4. All right, and then we go back up here to planning. Take planning to level 6, and there you go. Now check your balance and see. Balance is now, I've only used about 2 million out. Is it 2 million out of the 3? So we still have a lot to do. We still have a lot of funds to actually improve. So you can see I can still improve all of these ones, but let's still go down. I want to go and work on that networking. Where is it? Okay, so networking, and let's take it to level 5. And then we now enter mentors. Mentors will get to level 1. Okay, take mentors to level 2. And then take mentors to level 3. Mentors to level 3. Take it to level 4. And then, okay, now let's look at the next one there, which is teaching others. Okay, teaching others, we take it to level 1. Take it to level 2. And then charity, for us to open charity, our level has to be level 15, but we are still on level 11, so we can't open charity. So you can see that. Good. So you always need to monitor to know which ones you can and which ones you can, and to know whether what is required is even what you can afford yet. I can't afford this here because the level here is still a level, it has not gotten to 13% now. From 5%, it has gone to 13% while we are busy buying this car. So we keep on improving, and the level keep on increasing. Also, the meter level continue to also improve. So that's while you keep on building on that until you get to the next level. Ethics, we take it to level 6 or level 7, yeah, and then go to relationship. Take relationship to 5 or 6. Let's see. Oh, can still take it further. Okay, we need to wait. Then go to the next friends to level 6, and then we'll wait, and then we'll go to networking to level 6, and then we'll also wait. It has cooldown time, so we have to wait for it also. Then mentors to level 5, and then we'll wait. And as we are using this, our coin balances are also going. And then we have teaching others. Let's take it to level 4. Let's see the cooldown time there too. And that's about 50, almost 1 minute. Then, so let's go to planning. Take the planning to level 7. Okay, so we're now, we'll also, okay, well, I think I need to stop it because if I allow this, the video can get longer. But business skills, you improve, take sales to level 1. Yeah, and then you also take marketing to level 1. All right, and then take negotiations to level 18. Now, these negotiations, you need to actually upgrade it well, because when you go to negotiations, your level, that's why I was failing. I hadn't upgraded my level, and I went to negotiate on a higher level. So those who had a higher impact, if you read, I'm going to also show you there. So if you read the negotiation instructions, if you compete with somebody that's on the same level with you, if you are at par, they will give it to the person because he has higher level with you, higher skill than you. So that's why you need to upgrade your negotiations level. So use your coins to buy your way through. That's what happens in the world of business. So you have to buy your way through. Public speaking, I upgrade. So just come here. So if you don't know, you just be piling up coins, and they will be doing nothing, just idle. Just like some people leave money in the bank, they don't know what to do with the money. The money just be in the bank. And the money in the bank that's not working for you means nothing. That's only when you want to spend it on food or to show off that you go and touch it. That's nonsense. Use it to build, use it to develop, use it to acquire power, use it to acquire influence, use it to acquire skills that will outlast the things that can be seen. So that's what you should do with that. So use your coin balances to improve yourself. So let's go to mining and see our balance. You can see that the balance have dropped to 128 now. And if you notice our level now, it has increased to 19%. So because of all of these improvements that we are making. So now let me take you to negotiation so that I will show you what I made. Okay, I think we should find it under city. Negotiations, battles, yes. Under battles, here now, you see negotiations. Now read the instruction very well. Let's read the instruction very well. I think, where do we see the tutorial? Okay, it's below there. Now, if you go down here, I think I'm going to make a separate video for that, but let's just read the instruction. It said, there's something that you see here. The league determines how much of the contract will be negotiated. The bargaining amount will be determined when an opponent is found. This amount will be between the league's minimum and maximum value. To participate in the league, you must have more money than the maximum contract. If you win the negotiation, you will collect the contract amount by paying a small tax. If you lose, the contract amount will be deducted. After choosing a league, we will tell you what to do to win. Good luck. Now, it's clear here, but I think it's when you click on this league, for example. Now, I should be on level 8 for me to not play here now. Where I am allowed to play now is gold. You get it now? So now, if I play here, if you tap here to play, for example, now, once I say it's clear, they will choose for me. All right, but look at the structure. Look at this now. Look at this instruction I want you to take note of. If both opponents have chosen the same strategy, the one who has certain skills will win. The first skill for comparison is negotiations, so which is where you need to upgrade your negotiation skills. You understand that now? So that's why I was losing in all my negotiations, and I didn't know then until I took my time to read that. So you know that what they say about African man or black man, that a black man, if you want to hide anything from him, put it in black and white. That was what actually happened to me. So I was busy when I played on the league where I belong, I won. But when I got to the higher league, I didn't understand that I needed to improve my negotiation skills. So I went to just play and I lost. So don't play games without understanding. Don't play any games without understanding the rules of the game. Otherwise, you'll be wondering like maybe whether they're cheating you or something. So there is the politics of every game. Or learn them and implement them. Wow, we've spent 17 minutes on this video. I need to stop it at this point. Please go ahead and upgrade your cards, upgrade your levels, upgrade your profit per tap, and improve your game. Use your coins balances to improve your levels and keep on winning. All right, there's more to learn here, which I'm going to dig out shortly. There's a place where you need to also deposit some ton. Yes, deposit some ton to prepare for the airdrop. You get to that point. I'm going to create part 2 of this video on improvement and upgrades on X Empire. Go ahead and like and share the video if you've got value with it, and let's see in the next video. I appreciate you so much. Thank you and God bless you.